broken. Don't ever forget you're golden.
You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the file is protected by a password. Please turn on the captions so you can see the password and download this presets.
𝗣𝗥𝗗𝗥𝗗 editing tutorial dash. Let's get started. For example, before and after. Select the photo. Select the light option dash. Exposure is 0.40 ev. Contrast is 40. Highlights is 40. Shadow is -20. Whites -12. Black is 70. Adjust the curve dash. Select the color option dash. Temp 6. Vibrance 25. Saturation is 18. Note: don't re-upload this video and don't sell this preset. Video created by BLVCK. Then go to the mix color dash. 01 mix color. Saturation is -30. 02 mix color. Hue is -8. Saturation is -36. Luminance is 12. (03) mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. 04 mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. Luminance is -25. 05 mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. 06 mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. 07 mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. 08 mix color. Hue is -100. Saturation is -100. Done color. Then go to the color grading option dash. Shadows. 01. Hue is 236. Saturation is 14. Blending is 50. And balance is -70. Highlights. 03. Hue is 90. Saturation is 10. Blending is 50. And balance is -70. Then go to the effects option, dash. Dehaze is 25. And voltage is -23. Midpoint is 50. Feathers is 70. Then adjust the split tone. Highlights hue is 236 and saturation is 12. Shadows hue is 206 and saturation is 10. Done. Then go to the detail, dash. Sharpening is 25. Radius is 1.00. And details is 25. Nose reduction is 25. And details is 50. And color reduction is 32. Details is 50. And smoothing is 50. And our editing is done. Thanks for watching Lightroom CC. Video created by Lightroom CC.
We'll be right back.